Welcome to the Princess Cruise Line app. First up, if you have internet paid as part of a package, you'll head to mnet-paid, and that will take you to how to activate it. So you'll pick the plan that you may have pre-purchased through Princess Plus or Princess Premier, click Browse the Internet. It also shows you what devices are connected. You can also book shore excursions through the app or online through your cruise personalizer in advance. It will bring up each port of call and what excursions may be available. To get the description of the excursion, just click on the name of the excursion. It will tell you all the information you need to know. You can also see the price and click Book Now to book on board. You have the opportunity to explore all the dining options on board. At the top, it shows you how to reserve dining, so you would just click the time. Then you'll be able to select the date, the time, whether you want specialty, main, or experiential. Experiential is the spellbound experience on the Sun Princess. You can put in what dates are available. You can even click if it's included in Princess Premier. So this will take you through all of the different options. You can click on the menu. So once you select a restaurant, you can click View Menu, and that will bring up the menu. I'm keeping this real time so you can kind of see it takes a minute to load. It's not a problem with your phone. So here's the Sabatini's Italian menu, so you can go through, see all the different choices. There are indicators next to the menu items, if it's vegetarian, if it's gluten-free, so you can have some of that information in advance. Here you're looking at the dining options available on the Sun Princess. Hopefully, if you're interested in that, you saw my video all about the Sun Princess. Horizons Dining Room is the included dining room. You can also view the menu for that via the app. This is for just a general night's dinner. So you can see it always has the starters, soup and salad, pasta, mains. Princess Favorites is going to be the items that are there every single night, so you never have to give those up. There's extra charge items, desserts, and then the beverage menu. So all of this you can view from your phone, but don't worry, they still have paper menus actually in the restaurants if you don't want to use your phone the whole time. Here's another example of O'Malley's Irish Pub menu. This is casual specialty dining. So you have the specialty, the included, and the casual specialty. So this tells you what the pricing is. So the a la carte pricing is $5 each for the starters. The mains are $10 for the burgers with pub fries. You can see the information about the afters, which is basically desserts, $5. And then here is a menu of the different beverages. All of that's available to view in the app. You do have to be connected to the Wi-Fi on board, even if you don't have a package. As you scroll down through the app, you'll see the port that's coming up, and you can click View Guide, and this downloads a guide to the port. This is very helpful information as you're thinking about what excursions you want to take. It includes a map. It includes things you can do without an excursion. Continuing to scroll down, if you click Download by Photos, that will take you to the gallery of any photos that have been taken by the professional photographer. Lotus Spa, this is a little bit light, doesn't have a ton of information, but then down in Ocean Now, this is a wonderful perk of being on Princess, is that you can order all kinds of things to your cabin. So if you want a bathrobe, a bath towel, an ice bucket, a different kind of pillow, if you want to have coffee and tea set up, come pick up your room tray. So many things are available here that you can just request through the app without having to call anyone. So they have the complimentary things are first, and then there's all the extra charge things as you go down to the bottom. And as you can see, they have a lot of extra charge items, all kinds of blankets, slippers, robes, towels, even a hairdryer if you want a fancier hairdryer than the one that's included in the room. You also have the opportunity to order food and drinks. Now, if you do have the Princess Plus or Princess Premier beverage packages, those are still included, even if you get them to your room or your location anywhere on the ship. There is a delivery charge if you don't have the Princess Plus or Princess Premier package. So the items that say complimentary, you would pay the delivery charge. But if you do have those packages, that's included as well. But don't worry, as you click things and add them to the cart, it'll be very clear how much you're paying. But it is a nice perk to be able to have it delivered to wherever you are and not have to just be in your cabin all the time. So you can see there's a wide range of options, including soups, salads, sandwiches, and even pizzas. There's a kids menu with the grilled cheese quesadilla, chicken fingers, all available for you. Down at the bottom under journeys, you'll find the Explore the Ship map. when you click the journeys at the bottom, and that will take you to whatever deck you're currently on. You can also see where your cabin mate is. That's a little picture of my husband. If they've enabled it, you can turn that off for privacy if you'd like, but you can track down your loved one. You can switch to different decks. It can show you where your shipmates are, where the restrooms are, and all other restaurants or different things around the ship. I definitely use this a lot to find where the closest guest room was. Also under Journey, you're going to have something called My Journey and Ship Schedule. Ship Schedule will be all of the activities that are happening on board, and you can find those here. You can mark those as your favorites, and that would be what would come up under My Journey. So you see there's a little heart in the upper right there. That is what you would click to have that come back and show up to add to your journey, and then it would show back up under My Journey if you don't want to have to keep going through all these. I know that I love going through all the activities and marking what I think I'd like to do the next day. There's a chat function that is included. You can add a number of different people to that chat, which is great. You just click start a new conversation. They have to agree to it though. But the thing I love the most is crew chat. So you can click on crew chat and talk right to guest services. You don't have to be in line. So here's just another menu of all the things that are available through the app. You can see your personal account. You can check on if you want to buy a future cruise deposit. All right, if you have any questions about the app, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, here's some videos YouTube and I thought you might like.